Alright, so here I have this Trane XB13 heat pump that I just got starting up. Has a climate self-reciprocating. Motor, not sure. 2011 310. It's cold and sweaty. There's a reversing valve. Yeah. I just got this. I was hoping to get that and that, but it's dark, pretty much dark out now. So, and this camera likes to make things look darker than it usually does. So there's really no point. So this one is the best bet. Anyways, yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.